Hey everyone, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Come with me today to my two local Dollar Generals to see the latest Christmas items they have. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already so you won't miss any other video. I will have to go back because as you will see, the second Dollar General I went to had a whole seasonal aisle closed for stocking. So it's important to subscribe so you won't miss that video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here in Dollar General, they have these holiday cookie cutters for $1. These come in a cute little packaging. A lot of these plastic containers. The monogram mugs for $2. They have these platters and charge plates. This is really pretty. For $2. They have this cute little red truck for $2. These coasters, Peace and Joy for $2.50. The mini round tins for $1. These mini buckets for $1. Square tins, $2. These are really big mugs. These are $3. These burlap tags are $1. The red truck, happy holidays. They have these label stickers for $1. These are knockoff for the Rae Dunn, Dash, and Pinch for $4. This Pinch one is $3. They also have these glass jars, canisters for $2 up here. And these tumblers for $1. They have these tapestry placemats, 2-pack for $4. They have these cute shadow boxes for $1. The Christmas garland, 50 feet, $3. They have these doormats for $6. Snowflakes for $2. Christmas solar lantern stick for $2. Have a look, guys. They have a lot of stuff. Pom-poms for $1. These do-it-yourself wood ornaments for $1. Mini lighted snowman for $2. This sign is $3. Fingertip towel, so a little larger than my hand, is $1. These kitchen towels are $1. These embroidered ones are $2. These are really cute. They have these little snow globes for $1. They have the elf, the penguin, $3 ornament activity bucket. And these are print rugs. They're very thin. So they have these tablecloths. Look at this. Those are $4. So I'll just quickly scan over this because there's a lot. These plate runners are $6. This Joy to the World that does light up is $8. They have these for, I don't know, let's see, $3. These are, I don't know, probably like way up there. $8. 15 for the snowman. They have Rudolph for 20, Mickey Mouse for 20. This cute little snowman. Oh, he wiggles. He is $10. And this snowman does light up for 15. These yard signs are 5. They do have the red truck behind here. The mini lights for 2 for 8. They have the lighted camper for, I don't know, I don't see any price on here. So again, a lot of these lights and these signs are, I don't see a price. And they do light up. They have the trees for 20 and 18 pre-lit. These 24-inch snowman trees are $12.50, and the blocked trees up there $6. Here's another of these signs. They're $6. These set of 3 lighted boxes are 10. These Skipples. And this Christmas tissue paper are $2. These huge ornaments are $1. And these mugs are $2. These are $1. It's the most wonderful time of the year. These are $1. And these pillows are $2. These are all $1. Okay, so they do have these hats for $1 each. The stockings are $1. These elf leg hat sticks are $3. This huge Believe stocking is $1. They have this monogram with the plaid, red and black, and the white and black for $1. These tree skirts. They have Rudolph. These little teddy bears are $2.50. They have the snowshoe for $1. Garland ties for $1. Tinsel icicles for $1. I'm taking one of these. $1 pom-pom garland. Poinsettia stickers. Poinsettia stickers for $1. I haven't seen these. They have the trees and the snowflakes with the plaid. All these garlands. These are $3. These are $10. These are $8 and $6. The candy cane for $1. The ornaments all are $1. These are $1.50. These little sets are $3, 24 count. These are $6 for 30 counts. $3 fake snow. These are all the ornaments for $1.
Have a great day. Thanks.
These are 12 count for 3. These are 44 count for 12. These are 12 count for $3, and these are for 5. Guys, look at these boxes. These are $3. This has the red truck for $1. This vintage Santa Claus for $1. They have this bigger one for $4. These are the smaller ones for $1. They have the gift bags for the red truck. These are 4 count for $3. It comes with these. Look at this one. Oops. These 8 count gift bags for $5. These are smaller ones for $3. And these are $3 as well. I really like this one. The gift wrap. These are $5. And they have these patterns. This is cute, like little snow. I don't see a price on that. They have a lot of gift wrap. Look at this ribbon, $2. Look at the red truck ribbon for $2. The burlap for $3. The elf name will do it. These are all $2. This is nice for like a winter wreath, not necessarily Christmas. They have the Christmas boxes, $2. These plates, $2.75, 8 count. All these solar little characters are $5. A lot of gift bags. Ooh, these are nice. These are $2.50. You can tell people are just not hanging these correctly because they're falling all over the place, but these are $2.50 and it comes in a set of 2. These are cute Santa sacks for $2. And they have more of these rugs. These are $5. So this is the bigger Dollar General. They have these canisters for, I don't see any price on these. The nutcracker tins for $2.50. These round tins for $2. These you could see through them. Season's Greetings $2.50. These smaller ones for $1. They have it in the Christmas tree, and $2.75 for these Christmas party items. This holiday cookie baking sheet for $5. These are really pretty. The red truck, $3. Small salad bowl for $2. Look how beautiful this is. $2. And these bigger mugs that they weren't in the other Dollar General are $2. These bigger Santas are $8. This spatula set is $3.50. And they have these here too. These are $2. The lighted camper for $20. These blinking light bulb pathway stakes for $10. These battery operated lights for $5. They have so many lights to choose from. The angels, $3.95 for these Christmas tree toppers. The tree skirts are $3. The same stockings as the other Dollar General. This tree skirt is like the sweater material. $8, $3, $5. More ribbon with the candy cane pattern. Again, these ribbons that we saw in the other Dollar General. The garlands. Again, these light up decor for $8 or $1. Metal hanger, but they feel kind of flimsy, honestly. $10. It moves and sings. They have different types. All of these types of ornaments for $3. Gonna try to go a little slow. I really like these. $3. $3, $6. The Christmas tree is $20. 4 feet is $15. $3 Christmas cards. This mini nativity, $3. They have these stems for $2. They have a lot of these crafts and stickers, gel clings. These are the window clings. These $5 door signs. This is like the wrap truck. I really like that snowman. Gift bags. They have these wooden signs for $2. Gift wrap. $1. $1 for like a little gift. The bottle bags, $2. These come with 6 and they are $1. These are fabric bags, $1 each. Okay, you guys, so that will be it for now. They have this whole aisle blocked, if you can see, and I am looking for the elf Christmas countdown, but I can't find it in my Dollar General, so maybe I will make another video. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.